The warehouse industry faces constant challenges, space constraints, delayed order picking, inventory inaccuracies, and operational inefficiencies. Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Sharma, founder Anzo Controls. At Anzo Control, we have a perfect solution for this Mobi Mini Load Carton ASRS, delivering intelligent automation, faster retrieval and smart warehouse management. So it is basically the fastest mini load ASRS that has been built in India, and it can go up to 15-meter high. That gives you a very high storage density and accuracy and the speed which your warehouse needs. Anzo Control is committed to delivering smart intralogistic and warehouse automation solutions that improve efficiency, accuracy, and operational performance. I am inviting all of you to visit Anzo Controls at IWE Mumbai, stall B42, hall 6.